Hey up, Cliff on Swadlincote. I'm here at the bottom of Darkland Road. And behind me is Swadlincote Doctors. Well, the doctors haven't been here all the time. This doctor's moved here. It was 1991 this doctor's opened by Edwina Curry. Well, before that it was just like a bit of waste ground, and there was auto garages and scrap merchants and all sorts on here at the bottom of Darklands. And that's Middle Close. That takes you round into Middle Close. Well, that used to be all fields belonging to a farm, Wardys farm, Wardys pig farm we used to call it when we were kids. Let's go walk down here. When we was at school and we used to do the cross-country run, we used to run down Darkland Road, up Coronation Street, down Darkland Road, and then we used to have to cut through this Darklands Lane it's called. Well, there you've got the new care home, Cadley View. Well, we used to run down here. This takes you down to the allotments. I bet you a lot of people can remember when they used to do the cross-country run when they was at school at Pingle, and you used to have to come up Coronation Street and run down Darklands, and then we used to have to cut through this Darklands Lane, and then that took you through to a load of fields, but it also took you through Wardys pig farm. I imagine a lot of you can remember that. The older ones can remember it anyway, the older viewers. And there was also a part that we used to call the dog track. And when you run through that part, you run through all the fields, and it brought you out in Knowall. So then we had to run all the way through Knowall and back up towards Darklands Road, and top of Darklands Road, then back down Coronation Street. But all this land here where all these houses are, that's up there, that's the back of the doctors, that's Middle Close, and all around that estate up there. These are the allotments. I'll look through the fencing in a minute. That's all that is allotments, Darklands Lane allotments. But yeah, we used to have to run up here. There were no houses then. It was all fields, and like I say, just imagine it was a pig farm. Just imagine the state you used to get in. So all these houses up here, all around, lovely houses they are, around here. But they was all built on Wardys pig farm and Swadlincote dog track. So it used to have Swadlincote had its own dog track. Used to do racing dogs on it. and then it ended up as a dumping ground for garages. They used to dump all the old tyres on it. Until one time somebody decided to set fire to them. So all these houses here, beautiful houses, and at the back of these, you can't see the school from here, but over there you've got Pingle School, and but yes, these were all built on what we used to know as Wardys pig farm and the dog track. Take you down this way. Let's have a look down here. There's another shot of the allotments. There's another shot. Darkland's Lane allotments. Let's go walk down this way. These houses here are beautiful, but they haven't long gone up. Last 5 or 6 years, I'd say. But they was all built on the fields of Wardys farm. I'm going to walk down here, then I'm going to get back up onto the main road. So, just looking down there. And now I'm coming up onto Nadin's Way. Just walk up these steps. This road is Nadin's Way. That takes you that way. That takes you right down to what they call the island near the golf courses. The golf course down there, and that takes you back into Swad. Now, when I was growing up, this road wasn't here. It was a train lines. All along here, the trains run from Swadlincote station right the way down there past Cadley Pit. Cadley Pit used to be down there. And well, that closed down when, got to be in early 1990s. Cadley Pit's closed down. But this part here, what I'm walking up now, used to be the train lines that run that way. Now It's the main road. Takes you back up to Sainsbury's Island. You've got all industrial units over here, Sainsbury's, everything. So this will take you up to Sainsbury's Island. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a like and a subscribe and hit the bell for notifications when I put another video up. There's a sign. There's the iron, take you off to Leicester, Derby, Church Gresley and Sainsbury's Superstore this side. There's Sainsbury's Superstore. Here's the island, Sainsbury's Island. William Nadin Way. So now I'm coming back to the bottom of the Darkland Road. So I've done a complete circuit. Back to where I started. So there's Cadley Hill View care home. That building over there is the doctor's. So I've been all the way round.